Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. The following morning, well, I say morning, 11:30. This is the fresh vegetables that I got from Aldi, and there's tomatoes, pineapples, onions, carrots, mushrooms. I intend on dehydrating mushrooms. I'm making several pizzas, so ham and pineapple pizzas, and if I don't use all 3 pineapples, then I'll just cut one up and freeze it, because you can just freeze pineapple as it is. That's why I don't bother canning it. Celery leeks, sweet peppers, cherry tomatoes, they're going to go in vegetable pasta bakes. Baking potatoes, I'm going to make some egg and cheese jacket potatoes with those with the freezer. I've got a sweet potato, which is a big thing, and it'll go in with the vegetable bakes, and loads of carrots, because I do go through quite a few carrots, and I'm going to be going to the butcher's next week and making up some dog food, so I'm going to need some carrots for that anyway. So now I'm going to spend the day sorting this out into meals for the freezer and different things. So I'll show you when I've got some done. A couple of hours down the road, all those mushrooms I've washed, taken the stems out and slice them up. They need steaming for about 5 minutes, and then they'll go on the dehydrator. I've also got some, because I'm going to do a mushroom pizza. All the stems, if there is room on the dehydrator, they'll go on there, so I can do some mushroom powder. If not, I might make a soup or add them into some of the veggie pasta bakes I'm going to make up. I've cut the pineapple ready for the pizza. These are my piles: chicken pile, compost pile, tomatoes for the pizza. Pizza dough is now risen over on the cooker. While the oven is on to partially cook the pizzas ready for the freezer, I'm going to have some jacket potatoes cooking in the bottom of it, so that's utilising it again. Also in the pasta bakes, I'm putting some sweet potato and some carrots. Root vegetables can affect Lurch's stomach, so I part cook these first, cool them, and then put them with the other stuff. So they'll actually go in the water and be boiling away while I'm steaming my mushrooms. So that utilises just one burner for doing all that. That's why I like these cooking days, because I can get a lot done in one go. So I'll bring you back in a bit. First 3 pizzas for the freezer. Ham and pineapple with tomato on it. A large one and 2 smaller ones. I'm going to freeze them on these pizza trays, and then when they're solid, it's going to be easier to cover them and that. And since I've got the space in the freezer, that's alright. Now let's move on to the next thing. Just come out, I've been seeing this all morning, and I've just come out to give some scraps to the chickens. Look what's happened to me polytunnel. All that work I've done in there, and I've still got more work to do. I've got to sort this out now, which, oh, I just feel like as soon as I've won one battle, I've got another battle on my hands. But I aren't bothered at the moment. It's going to stay like that because it's still slightly windy out here, as you can see, and there's no plants in there anyway, so yeah, back to cooking. Next for the freezer is 2 gammon and pineapple veggie bakes, just add pasta to them, and 2 chicken veggie bakes. Next layer of pizza dough rising, ready to be sorted now. More pizzas. Ham and pineapple again. Mushroom and salami and tomato. Well, salami and cheese. Whatever, just salami. I'm running out of steam now. And a bit left to go. Next 2 meals are sweet potatoes and carrots with sweet peppers, topped with cherry tomato and cheese. The last 2 meals, stuffed jacket potatoes topped with cherry tomatoes, salami and cheese. 1 for the freezer and 1 to eat tonight. And apart from me mushrooms dehydrating in the kitchen, that's all I'm doing. I've just got to tidy up the kitchen now. Bye!
It's a perfect situation.